Hi students, welcome back. Today we can discuss exercise 17a, question number 49 onwards. Question number 49. In the given figure, AB is the diameter of the circle with the center O. Angle BCD is equal to 130 degree. Find angle DAB. Second one, angle DBA. Given AB is the diameter and O is the center of the circle. Also given BCD is equal to 130 degree. So we are joining this B and D. So join BD. Consider the cyclic quadrilateral ABCD. Angle C is 130 means what about angle A? Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. So angle BAD will be 180 minus 130, that is equal to 50 degree. So angle BAD or otherwise we can BAD or otherwise DAB or BAD. So this angle, opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary means we can write 180 minus 130 which is equal to 50 degree. That is the first part. Angle DAB is equal to 50 degree. Next, since AB is the diameter, what about angle ADB? AB is the diameter given. So what about ADB? This angle D will be 90 degree. Why? Because angle in a semicircle is a right angle. So this angle will be 90 degree. Angle ADB will be 90 degree. Then consider triangle ABD. This triangle, we got 50 degree here. Here we have 90 degree. So what about this angle ABD? What about this angle? We know sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So this angle will be 180 minus sum of 90 and 50. So what about 90 plus 50? 90 plus 50 is 140. So angle ABD will be 180 minus 140. 180 minus 140. So this angle will be 40 degrees. That is angle ABD is equal to 40 degree. That is a second part. Next question number 50. In the given figure, PQ is the diameter of the circle whose center is O. Given angle ROS is equal to 42 degree. Calculate angle RTS. Given PQ is the diameter of the circle and O is the center. Also given ROS is equal to 42 degree. We know since O is the center of the circle, OP, OR and OS, OQ all are the radii of the circle. So first we can take OP is equal to OR. For considering this triangle, we are taking OP and OR. Say take two radius, this one OP and OR. These two radius we want to take. So since OP is equal to OR, opposite angles will be equal. Which are the opposite angles? Opposite of OP is PRO and opposite of OR is RPO. So these two angles will be equal. These two angles will be equal. Let it be X. We are marking it as X. Let it be X. So we are saying that as X degree. Similarly, we want to consider another one. OS is equal to OQ. OS is equal to OQ for considering this. Since OS is equal to OQ, opposite of this will be equal. So OS, so which angle? Q, that is SQO will be equal to OSQ. So these two angles will be equal. So we are doing or we are making, we are assuming it as Y. So likewise we can say, we will mark it as Y. So first these two we are taking, we will mark it as X, and next we are taking these two radius and we will mark it as Y. So that is X and here Y. First we mark X and consider this triangle. First we are considering this triangle, and after that only we are considering this triangle. So if we are considering this triangle POR, we know sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So what about angle ROP? ROP will be what? 180, that is x plus ROP is 180 degree. Sum of angles of a triangle 180 degree. X plus x is what? 2x. So 2x plus ROP is equal to 180 degree. So what about ROP? ROP is equal to 180 minus 2x. So this triangle, from this triangle ROP we got it as 180 minus 2x. This angle we got it as 180 minus 2x. Already we assumed as y, that is written here. OS is equal to OQ. Once we discussed that, before this we discussed, after this x we discussed about y. So let it be y. Same case we are applying here. Sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Sum of angles. Reason you should write sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So S, Q, O, these three sums will be 180 degree. So we can write y plus angle SOQ is equal to 180 degree. So y plus y is 2y. So angle SOQ will be 180 minus 2y. So we can write here SOQ as 180 minus 2y. 180 minus 2y. Given PQ is the diameter, that is PQ is a straight line. Since PQ is a straight line, the sum will be 180 degree. So which sum? 180 minus 2x, this angle, plus 42 up to this angle, plus 180 minus 2y from here to here. This total will be 180 degree. So we can write 180 minus 2x plus 42 plus 180 minus 2y is equal to 180 degree. So 180 here we can cancel. So 180 plus 42 is 222 minus 2x minus 2y. This 180 plus 42 is 222. This 180 and this 180 will cancel. This 180 and this 180 will cancel. No, it will become 0, which is equal to 0. So this is negative. These twos are negatives. So we can take it to right side. So it will become positive 2x plus positive 2y. 222, let it be there itself. So 222 is equal to 2x plus 2y. Dividing throughout by 2, we will get x plus y is equal to 1, 1, 1. Let it be equation number 1. We want to find angle RTS. RTS, that is this angle we want to consider. We want to find out. So for that, for finding RTS means R is same as what? If we can, T is common, no? RTS means T is the angle. If you are considering a PTQ, angle is T itself. So if we are considering triangle PQT, sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. That means this angle P plus this angle Q plus angle T is equal to 180 degree. So we can write x plus y plus angle PTQ or QTP will be 180 degree. That is x plus these three angles 180 degree. That means we can write it as QTP. QTP we want to find out. QTP we want to find out. QPT is what? QPT is x plus PQT. PQT is y plus QTP. QTP we want to find out angle QTP is equal to 180 degree. QTP. Look at QTP. Instead of QTP, we can write it as, instead of Q, we can write S. So QTP, we can write it as, instead of Q, we can write it as S angle, S, T as T, Instead of P, we can write it as R. So QTP can be written as angle STR. So we can replace QTP, we can replace it as STR. So next step it will be x plus y plus angle STR will be 180 degree. That is this step. That's how we are getting that step. I think it is clear. So x plus y plus STR is same as RTS. Just rearranging that only, that vertex. So STR can be written as RTS. Why? Because our question is RTS. That's why we are rearranging that as in RTS. So x plus y plus RTS is equal to 180 degree. Already we know x plus y is equal to 111. So we replace x plus y as 111 plus RTS is equal to 180 degree. So RTS is equal to 180 minus 111, that is equal to 69 degree. Thank you.